Hello, good afternoon everyone. Am I audible po ba? Good afternoon po sa lahat. Naririnig niyo po ba ako? Okay, so before we start, hintay muna tayo sa ibang participants or members natin na makasali sa ating live. Okay, thank you po. Sir Kincinas, katapusan. Good afternoon din po, Sir JJ Roof de la Cruz. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon din po, Sir Markwin Paul Catuna Aguiles. Karat imunti yung boss. Wait lang. Hindi po ba klaro yung boses ko? Okay, thank you po Sir Kincinas. Wait lang po muna tayo na makapasok yung ibang members natin. Then mag-start na po tayo sa ating live for our rationalization about or regarding sa mathematics doon sa ating final mock exam, yung binigay ni Sir Jerome sa inyo kahapon. Okay, sir, good afternoon then Sir Mark Vincent at Sir Dong. Good afternoon sa inyo. So, first, I would like to introduce myself. I am Kirk Anthony Galeaho pala. Isa po ako sa mga moderator at admin ni Sir Jerome sa klase ng tala at lalo na po sa mga ibang review programs namin like civil service exams, Napolcom, tsaka sa fire officer exam. At dahil hindi po available si Ma'am Clyde na supposed to be siya ang magtatackle about sa rationalization natin sa mathematics, ako na lang po muna yung nag ay ako na lang po yung mag-discuss about sa kung paano natin nakuha yung mga sagot at ano yung mga sagot sa ating mock test sa mathematics. Kasi hindi po siya available daw kasi meron siyang nagawa sa school. Okay, good afternoon Sir Raymark Miguel Diego. So wait lang po tayo maging 70 yung ating participants then we will start na po. Good afternoon Sir Christian J. Marami na po tayong present ngayon. Good afternoon din Ma'am Adeline Bitay Taiza. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Please prepare na din yung mga Scantron paper niyo na provide ni Sir Jerome kasama dun sa ating final mock test na file. Please prepare na din po yun para ma-check natin kung ano, tama ba yung mga sagot niyo. Good afternoon din po, Ma'am Miriam. Sir Vincent, good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. By the way guys, sino yung mga nakasali sa review programs namin nung nakaraan? Like for example, yung civil service sa class Tanglaw Diwa. Sino yung nakasali doon? At sa fire officer exam naman yung class Masiklab. Meron bang galing doon sa mga review programs namin? Okay, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. So malapit na pala yung Napolcom examinations natin. Parang 2 days na lang. So ready na ba kayong lahat? Please chat if ready na ba kayo or kung ilang percent pa kayong ready. For example, like 9 out of 10 ang yung preparedness at readiness. Yes. Ready na po daw si Ma'am Jamaica Abio. Ay, no. Kasali ka pa pala sa review programs namin noon sa civil service? Okay, si Ma'am Angel, sabi niya 7 out of 10 daw ang preparedness niya. Okay lang po yan kapag 7 out of 10 kasi 70% lang naman yung passing rate ng Napolcom. Okay, sabi ni Sir Francis 99.9, binitin pa niya ng 0.1. Kay Sir Balakit Koykoy 7 out of 10 daw. Uy Sir John, ba't 1 over 10 lamang? Okay, si Sir Kran daw, ready siya always. So prepared na talaga siya mag-take na exam. Sir John, 2 out of 10 din. Ba't ang liliit ng ratings niyo sa preparedness at readiness niyo sa pagte-take na exam? Hindi pa ba kayo naghanda at nag-review? Sana di mahirap ang math sa Napolcom. Um, ang sa Napolcom naman, hindi daw siya gaano kahirap. Ang iba ay basic lamang. Ang nagpakahirap lang doon is yung mga word problems. Nakakaubos ng oras. 50-50 daw si Ma'am Rufa. Yes sir, Kran. Papasa talaga. First and last take. Okay, so marami na tayong participants. So start na tayo. Okay, so ang rationalization natin ngayon is mathematics. Anong number ngayon sa 71? Ito. So dito tayo sa quantitative reasoning. May audible po ba? Everyone, may audible po ba? Naririnig niyo po ba ako? Okay, yes, thank you. So start na po tayo. So sa mathematics, sa quantitative reasoning, ang first natin na item or question is the sum of the three consecutive odd numbers is 21. What would be the lowest number? Okay, so first choice is 9, 2 is 5, 3 is 3, 4 naman is 4, and 5 is to 11. So ano yung, please comment your answers muna before tayo mag-proceed sa ating solution. Please comment your answers. I will give you a minute para naman mag-comment sa answers. And then we will proceed to solving sa ating formula about sa quantitative reasoning dito sa number 71. Okay, marami na nagsasabi na letter B. Sabi ni Ma'am Angel is 2 or sabi ni Sir Raymark is 2. 71 is 2 daw. Okay, let's see if correct ba yung mga sagot niyo. Okay, our number 71 item is the sum of the three consecutive odd numbers is 21. What would be the lowest number? So before answering quantitative reasonings or sa numerical natin na ability, first we must find is what is the problem. And then second, get the givens or yung mga data na naisaad dito sa ating sa ating item or question. Third is formulate your formula or solution. So first, ano yung hinahanap natin dito or what is the problem? 'Di ba is what would be the lowest number? So ang hinahanap natin is yung lowest number. Let's denote the three consecutive odd numbers as n plus 2, and n plus 4, where n is the lowest number. So let n is the lowest number daw. So sir, but may plus 2 at plus 4? So alam niyo ba yung mga odd numbers? Odd numbers are yung mga numbers na hindi na-divide by 2. And then yung mga even numbers naman is na-divide by 2. So dito sa either odd number siya or even number, we will put plus 2 every number because the difference between the first odd number and the second odd number is 2 palagi. So for example, wait lang. Uh, wait lang. Okay, so for example, ang 1, 3, 5, 7, at 9 are all odd numbers. So ilan ang difference niya? Each number. So 2, 2, 2, 2. Kagaya din sa mga even numbers where yung even numbers is yung 2, 4, 6, 8, tsaka 10. At present din dito na 2 yung difference kada numbers nila. So ito, dito sa ating equation, meron po tayong plus 2 palagi. So let n plus 2 plus n plus 4, whereas n is our first odd number first, and then our second odd number naman is n plus 2, and then yung third odd number natin is n plus 4, and then the total is 21. So we must combine like terms na. So n plus n, tatlong n is equal to 3n plus 6. Ito, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 is equals to 21. So, pag isa-subtract natin from both sides or transpose, kapag i-transpose ito dito, magiging negative, multiply, divide by 3. Divide by 3. Subtract pala. Pag i-transpose natin siya dito, yung 6 dito, transpose natin yung 6 equals to dito, subtract natin from both side. So ang matitira na lang, meron tayong 3n is equals to 15. And then para ma-eliminate natin yung 3, divide natin by 3. So cancel out, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So ang lowest number daw natin is 5. Okay, tama ba yung mga kasagutan nyo? Yes, tama po. Blurred. If blurred po, please adjust na lang po yung quality ng video nyo. 71 pa po. 71. Number 71 pa po tayo. So, ang lowest number daw natin is 5. So, next odd number is 7. At third odd number is 9. Is equals to 21. Kung even number din po, add always natin ng plus 2 kasi yung difference from first and to second odd or even number is 2 palagi. Yes po, i-upload ko naman 'to at ibibigay kay Sir Jerome yung file para makita niyo po lahat. Yes po, Sir David, tama po 'yan. So our first answer sa number 71 is number 5 kasi ito yung lowest odd number natin. So tama po kayo lahat. Next, number 72. The sum of the three numbers is 98. The ratio of the first to the second is 2/3 and the ratio of the second to the third is 5/8. What is the third number? Same formula, sir, as always if ganyan ang problem. Yes po, kapag consecutive odd at even numbers, ito po palagi ang ating formula. So, n plus 2 plus n plus 4. Ito po yung lagi ang formula natin sa consecutive odd numbers. Okay, proceed na po tayo sa number 72. Ito po. The sum of the three number is 98. The ratio of the first to the second is 2/3 and the ratio of the second to the third is 5/8. What is the third number? 1, 30, 2, 20, 3, 10, 4, 48, 5, 43. Ano po yung answers niyo po dito? Please comment down below. Ang number 71 po is number 2, which is 5. Ito po yung ating tamang kasagutan. Ang lowest odd number. 72, sabi ni Sir Dale is 4. Kay Sir Donald is 4. 4 din po yung answers ng iba. Okay, so bakit 4 ang answers niyo? So, proceed na po tayo sa ating solution. So, ito po itong solution. The sum of the three numbers is 98. So, ito po daw yung total number natin. The ratio of the first to the second is 2/3. And the ratio of the second to the third is 5/8. So, let us denote that A, or yung first number natin, B plus C is equals to 98, which is our overall. So, ito yung first natin na number, second number, at saka third number. Which is yung, ano po sagot sa number 71? 5 po, 2. So, ito po, let's denote that A plus B plus C is equals to 98. Whereas A is our first number, 2 naman, second number naman natin is B, and third number is letter C. So, sabi daw dito na the ratio of the first to the second is 2/3. So, ito po yung ating first number, A over B is equals to 2/3, which implies A is equals to 2 over 3B. Sir, bakit B po yung hinahanap natin? Kasi ang B po is present sa both first to the second and second to third. Pa-zoom po, sir. Okay, wait lang po. Ito. Please adjust na lang po yung quality ng video nyo. Pa-zoom, sir. Ito po. So, A over B is 2/3 daw, which implies A is equal to 2/3 over B. And then, yung second to third number naman natin is equals to 5/8, which implies C is equals to 8 over 5 multiplied by B. Zoom kay hapit na mo pilit sa nong sa phone. So now let's substitute the expression for A and C into the first equation. So ang hanapin po natin una dito is yung second number or letter B. So now let's substitute, 'di ba? Ito po yung A natin or first number. Second number naman natin is yung letter B. At third number naman natin is letter C, plus. Addition po to lahat is equals to 98. Ito po. So, i-substitute natin sa A is 2/3 multiplied by B plus yung B naman is yung constant natin na variable plus C, which is 8/5 multiplied by B is equals to 98. Then to simplify, find the common denominator which is 15 in case. So, di ba dito um, sa fractions, di natin ito ma-add. Hindi natin ito ma-add lahat kapag hindi, anong tawag doon? Hindi same yung denominator niya. So, let's find the least common denominator, which is 15. Okay, to find the least common denominator of three fractions, just multiply the two biggest numbers. So, ang least common denominator natin is 15. So, ito po. Ang 2/3 multiply natin by 5/5 is equals to 10/15. And then, yung B naman natin, which is constant na 1 yung value, pwede po yung 15/15. Kasi pag i-divide natin yung 15/15, 1 din naman yung sagot. And then, yung last is 8/5 multiplied by natin by 3. So ito yung mga answers natin. 10/15 multiplied by B plus 15/15 multiplied by B plus 24/15 multiplied by B is equals to 98. So, yes po, least common denominator or LCD. And then, let's combine the terms. Ito po, just copy the denominator which is 15 and then proceed of addition sa ating mga numerator. Ito pong tatlo. 10 plus 15 plus 24 is equals to 49. So ito po yung ating combined like terms. Ito na po yung ating makukuha sa letter B. Now to find B, multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of 49/15, which is 15/49. So, di ba, napapansin nyo dito na 49/15B. So, paano natin ma-eliminate yung 49/15? So, i-transpose natin to sa kabila. Transpose natin sa kabila. So, pag i-transpose natin yung fraction sa kabila, just get the reciprocal. So, sir, ano po yung reciprocal? Put your denominator sa numerator, which is 15. And then, yung numerator naman, lalagay niyo sa denominator which is 49. Ito po yung reciprocal natin. So, ito na po yung equation natin sa letter B, which is B is equals to 98 multiplied by 15 divided by 49. Yes po sir, kabaliktaran. Yun po yung reciprocal natin. Kapag itatranspose natin sa kabila. Pero kapag hindi naman siya fraction, pag itatranspose natin sa kabila, if positive sign, magiging negative sign. If division naman, magiging multiplication. Ganun po yung transpose natin na rule. May other solution para makakuha ng lahat? If i-solve nyo ito by numbers only, madali lang po ito. If follow nyo lang po ito at saka wag nyo na po intindihin yung mga nakasulat dito. So, next. So, multiply first the 98 and 15, which result to 1,470 over 49, which is our denominator. Now simplify the fraction by dividing both of the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common divisor, which is 7. So ang greatest common divisor daw dito is 7. So 49 is divisible by 7? Yes, very good. So 7 times 7 is 49. And then ang 1,470 naman is divisible by 7, which result to 210. And then B is equals to 210 divided by 7. Meron na tayong value ng ating letter B, which is 30. Okay, wait. Zoom ko lang muna. To. So, the value of B is 30. Meron na po tayong value ng B. Pero dito lang ba nagtatapos sa lahat? Hindi, because we must find the third number. Now that we have B, we can substitute it back into expression for A and C to find their values. Paki-screenshot na lang po yung answer. Ang labo po, sir. Okay po, i-screenshot ko po ito. So, ngayon, meron na tayong value ng B. So, meron na tayong value ng B. So, masasolve na natin yung A, which is our first number, at letter C, which is third number na ating hinahanap. So ang first number natin daw is 2/3 of first and second number. Ang C naman is yung second to third number, which is 8/5. Then i-multiply natin by B, which is meron na tayong value is equals to 20, and C naman yung 8/5 multiplied by 30 is equals to 48. Sabi ni Ma'am Marian, power of C daw. Therefore, the solution is A is equals to 20, B is equals to 30, and C is equals to 48. So, ang hinahanap po natin dito is yung third number. So, ang answer po doon is 48, number 4. Okay, so ang answer natin sa number 72 is 4. So, let's proceed to number 73 na. 73. The supply PNCO paid a total of 4,850 for 50 pieces of whistles and 50 pieces of lanyard. If a piece of whistle cost him 70 pesos, how much cost of a piece of a lanyard? So, ang hinahanap natin daw dito is ang price of a piece of a lanyard. So, dito, shortcut daw. Hindi po tayo makakita na shortcut dito dahil ito po yung talaga yung, wait lang po. Okay, yung 72, ang answer natin is 4 or 48. Sir, palakihan po, sir. Okay, wait lang po ah. Ito. So, on number 73, the supply PNCO paid a total of 4,850 for 50 pieces of whistles and 50 pieces of lanyard. If a piece of whistles cost him 70, how much is the cost of a piece of a lanyard? Ano po yung mga sagot niyo po dito? 1 is 29 pesos, 2 is 15 pesos, 3 is 13 pesos, 4 is 27 pesos, and 5 is 11 pesos. Ano po yung mga sagot niyo sa number 73? Letter D daw or 4 sabi ni Sir Jonald. Kang Ma'am Jenny naman is 4. Okay, so let's proceed na po sa ating solution. So to find the cost of a piece of lanyard, we can use the total amount paid and the number of pieces of lanyard. So ano nga yung hinahanap natin? Or what is the problem? How much is the cost of a piece of a lanyard? So dito, nakuha na natin yung what is the problem or ano yung hinahanap natin. And then second is denote the given or ano yung mga data na na-accumulate natin dito sa ating items or question. So to find the cost of a piece of a lanyard, we can use the total amount paid and the number of pieces of lanyard. Let's denote the cost of piece of lanyard as L. So ang lanyard po natin is L and the total amount paid is 4,850. So overall daw, kapag accumulative natin yung 50 na lanyards at 50 na whistles, the total cost is 4,850. The total amount paid is also the sum of the cost of whistles and the cost of lanyards. So ito po yung total at ito yung ating formula. Total amount paid is equals to cost of whistles plus cost of lanyards. Sir, pwede po ba trial and error? Yes po, pwede po ito trial and error. Just multiply it directly po and then from the choices. So, yun nga, ito po yung ating formula. Total amount paid is equals to cost of whistles plus cost of lanyard. So, ang total amount paid natin is 4,850 is equals to 70. 70 pesos ang piece ng ating whistles multiplied by 50 pieces plus 50 multiplied by lanyards. Ito po yung pieces ay yung price ng ating lanyard and then 50 pieces naman din. So, dapat meron po itong wait. Meron po dapat tayong parenthesis dito, parenthesis. Ito. So, now, solve for L or yung lanyard natin, yung price. L is equals to 4,850 minus 70 multiplied by 50. So, dahil yung hinahanap natin is yung price ng lanyard, ito po ay atin i-retain dito. And then, transpose naman natin ito sa kabila. Which we will have, ito po. Ito. Wait lang po. So, pag transpose natin, magiging minus na po ito or negative parenthesis 70 multiplied by 50. Cause of that math daw. So, ito po. L is equals to 4,850 minus 70 multiplied by 50. And then, sir, bakit meron pong 50 dito? Kasi, i-divide natin ng both sides of 50. So, ito yung ating equation. Wait lang. 4,850 minus 70 times 50 is equals to 50L. So, 50L. Ito lang po, i-simplify ko lang po yung ating kasagutan or ating formula. Ito po yung pagsasolve ng simplified version. And then, ito po, in order for us na para ma-eliminate tong 50, let's just divide both sides by 50. Okay, so cancel at saka meron na lang po tayong natitira na 4,850 multiplied by minus 70 times 50. So ito, meron na po tayong equation sa ating lanyard. So let's just first subtract the 4,850 minus 35. Meron na po tayong answer na 1,350 over 50. At kapag i-divide natin, meron tayong answer na makukuha na 27. Okay, so ang answer sa ating number 73 is 27. So let's move forward sa number 74. Ay, nagets niyo po ba yung number 73? Tama po ba yung mga kasagutan niyo? Data lang ako, takot mo muna siya ngayon sa math. Okay, so dito na po tayo sa number 74. If x over y is equals to 4, tumama din sabi ni Ma'am Nam I. Y over z is equals to 5 and z is equals to 2. What is the value of x? Now, choices 1, 5 over 4. Choice 2, 5 over 3. 3, 10, 4, 20, at 5, 40. So ano po yung mga kasagutan nyo dito? Okay, 5 daw sabi ni Ma'am Jenny, tsaka sino pa nagsakuan? Sa 5 daw sabi ni Sir Jonald at Ma'am Jenny, which is 40 daw. Kay Sir Richard is 3. 10 daw ang answer. 43 ang answer po natin is 27, 4. Okay, so let's solve for number 74. Okay, so ano ang hinahanap natin dito? It is the value of x. Okay, so our first given here is x over y is equals to 4. Ito po yung first natin na equation. And then y over z is equals to 5. And then z naman is meron po tayong whole number na value. So we can substitute the value of z into the second equation to find the value of y. Dahil meron na po tayong value ng z, we can just substitute the value of it dito sa ating second equation, which is y over 2 is equals to 5. So instead na y over z, meron po tayong y over 2 is equals to 5. And then if itatranspose natin ito sa kabilang side, dahil division siya, magiging itong multiplication. So times 2 or y is equals to 5 multiplied by 2. So now we will have the answer of our value of y is 10. Ito po, meron na po tayong value ng y tsaka sa z. And then let's move forward sa hanapin nyo natin value ng x. Now that we know the value of y, we can substitute it into the first equation to find the value of x. So ano nga yung equation ng equation 1? X over y is equals to 4. And then let's substitute it, magiging x over 10 is equals to 4. At kapag itatranspose natin ito dito, instead the division, magiging siyang multiplication, which is 4 times 10. So multiply both sides by 10 and then we will have the answer of 40. Therefore, the value of x is 40. So, tama yung mga kasagutan niyo. Ang answer ng number 74 is 540. So, ilang tama na po ba kayo? Wala pa po ka ba kayong mga mali? So, sabi ni Ma'am Irash, isa po mali, isa po ba yung mali? Okay, so let's move forward na number 75. So, number 75, if m is equals to 15, then m squared plus 2m is equals to blank. Wala pong tama. Ba't wala pong tama, Sir Tihares? Isa pa yung score ko. So, ito, sa number 75 na po tayo. Please record your scores kasi um, gusto ko po i-chat niyo po kung ilang tama na po ba kayo from the start. Okay, so if m is equals to 15, then m squared plus 2m is equals to, first choice is 215, 2 is 225, 3 is 240, and 4 is 245, and 5 is 255. Ano po yung mga kasagutan niyo po dito? 24, sir. Ano sagot? Okay, 240 daw, sabi ni Sir Gerald. 255 naman si kay Sir Remark. 75 is 5 daw. 40. Okay, so let's solve this equation. So ito, simple lang po ito kasi substitute lamang yung value ng m. So if m is equals to 15, then m squared plus 2m can be calculated as follow. So don't mind this kasi ito na po yung ating first equation. So let's substitute our value dito sa ating variables. So, ang m daw na value, substitute natin. So, 15 squared plus 2 multiplied by m or 15. So, meron na po tayong kasagutan na 15 times 15 is equals to 225 and then 2 multiplied by 15 is equals to 30. Then, just simply add these two numbers. So, ito po yung ang ating answer. M squared plus 2m is equals to 255. Therefore, if m is equals to 15, then m squared plus 2m is equals to 255. Yes, very good. Marami po nakatama sa atin. Si Sir Paul, tama. Si Ma'am Gray, si Ma'am Jenny, si Ma'am JJ Roof. Tama po sila. So next, ang answer sa ating number 75 is 5. So dito na po tayo sa number 76. A vehicle consumes 1 liter of gasoline for every 8 kilometers of travel. How far can it go with 38 liters, leaving about 7.5 liters in the tank? First choice is 240 kilometer. Second is 244. Third is 248 kilometers. Four is 252 kilometers. And fifth is the 304 kilometers. Ano po yung kasagutan niyo po dito? Kay Sir Paul is 304. Kay Sir Jonald is letter B. Kang Ma'am April is letter B or 2. Kay Sir Aldrin is 5 or 304. Letter B kay Sir Jonald Mahinay. Okay, so tignan natin kung tama ba ang inyong mga kasagutan. Dito na tayo sa number 76. Ito po. Ito po yung ating solution. So, ano po bang hinahanap dito? How far can it go with 38 liters, leaving about 7.5 liters in the tank? Dito po natataka ko nung pag-solve ko, akala ko po 7.5 liters lang po yung natitira sa 38 liters. Hindi po pala. Dapat meron po ditong 7.5 liters less. Dito less dapat less. less in the tank. So ito po yung dapat yung problem natin or ano yung hinahanap natin. How far can it go with 38 liters leaving about 7.5 liters less in the tank? So less, it means subtraction. If the vehicle consumes 1 liter of gasoline for every 8 kilometers of travel and you have 38 liters in tank leaving about 7.5 liters, then you have 38 minus or subtract by 7.5 is equals to 30.5 liters available for the travel. So meron na po tayong down 30.5 liters available for travel. Since um, 1 liter covers 8 kilometers, you can find the total distance by multiplying the available liters by the consumption rate. Ito po yung ating formula. Dahil nakuha na po natin yung natitirang liters of gasoline for our travel, kukunin na po natin yung ating formula, which is this. This is our formula. Total distance daw is equals to available liters multiplied by the consumption rate. So, total distance is equals to 30.5 liters multiplied by 8 kilometer per liter. So, we must cancel out this liter and then proceed in multiplying 30.5 to 8 kilometer. Meron na po tayong matitirang answer na total distance of 244 kilometers. Therefore, the vehicle can travel approximately 244 kilometers with the remaining of 30.5 liters in the tank. Okay, so sino po yung nakatamang sagot dito, which is yung sagot natin is 2. Number 76 na po tayo, Sir Mark. Okay, so marami ang nakakuha ng tamang sagot, which is 2 or 244 kilometer. Ayun lang, wala naman kasi nakalagay. Yes po, sir. Nagtaka po din ako, baka meron lang pong typo si Sir Jerome nito. Kasi nung first pag-solve ko talaga, hindi po siya abot ng 244 kilometer kasi akala ko 7.5 liters lamang yung natitira sa gasoline. Dapat kasi meron tayo ditong leaving about 7.5 liters less in the tank. Baka meron lang pong typographical error si Sir Jerome. Kaya yun, hindi niya nalagay yung less. Okay, so number 76, ang answer natin is 2 or 244 kilometer. Okay, dito na po tayo sa number 77. Ito, number sequencing. Hindi naman po ito mahirap. Napakasimple lang po nito kapag malalaman niyo po yung pattern. Sa number sequencing, pattern lang talaga naka-base lahat. So, ito po, 5, 13, 13, 20, 21, 27, at ano po yung kasunod number. So, first choices is 9. Second is 29. Third is 30. Fourth is 33. And fifth is 35. So, anong makasagutan nyo dito? 77 is 2 daw. 2. Sabi ni Ma'am Jenny. Ni Ma'am Livy, 2 daw. Ni Ma'am Angel, 2. Sir Merwin, 2. Sir Jonald, 2. Okay, so Sir Remark is 2. So, most of all, ang answer nyo is 2 or 29. So, now, let's proceed on solving this problem. Okay, ito po yung ating problem. Meron po tayong dalawang types of pattern dito. Okay, so sa first, to identify the patterns of the sequence, let's examine the difference between consecutive terms. So ito po, kunin muna natin yung or subtract natin yung two consecutive terms, yung mga difference nila. So for example, 13 minus 5 is equals to 8. Ito po, itong dalawa. 8, kung isa-subtract natin, 8. And then sa 13 naman at 13, 0. Sa 7, 13 at 20, meron tayong 7. Sa 20 at 21, meron tayong 1. Ay, negative 1. Sa 21 at 27 naman, meron po tayong 6. So ito po yung pattern, ay first pattern natin. So ano po yung next na number dito? Ay, plus pala ito, plus. Plus 1. So dahil dito, ang pattern is 8, 0, 7, 1, 6. Meron na po tayo dito sa first natin na sequence is 8, 7, 6. At then dito, meron tayong 0, plus 1. So it means na dito ay plus 2 tayo. Plus 2. So ang answer natin is 29. So dito naman po tayo sa second natin na pattern. So the difference are not the following as consistent pattern. However, if we look at the sequence as two separate sequences interleave with each other, we will find the pattern. So ito po, dahil ang pattern doon natin kanina is 5, 13, 13, 20, 21, 27. So meron po to, ito po yung ating sequence. So ito, dahil sabi daw dito, interleave or sabi sa ibang words pa, one set apart daw. So ito po natin kukunin first. Ito. Then ito naman. Ang 5, 13 at 21, ilan ang difference nila? 'Di ba 8 plus 8 tayo palagi dito, plus 8. Dito naman, plus 8. Sa sequence number 2, which is 13, 20 at saka 27, plus 7 po tayo dito, plus 7. Tsaka dito, plus 7. So, the pattern seems to be alternating increase by 8 and 7. Therefore, the next term is in the 8 sequence would be, ito po yung kasunod na number, which is the sequence 1, 21 plus or addition by 8 kasi nandito siya nakalagay sa sequence number 1. Plus 8 is equals to 29. And then the sequence 2 is 27 plus 7 is 34. So ito po yung ating sequence. 27, 29, tsaka 34. Pero yung hinahanap lang po natin ang kasunod ng 27 which is 29. So our answer would be 29. Okay, so dito sa problem 77 or sa our number 77, ang answer po dito is 2 or 29. Next problem, number sequencing pa din. 28, 35, 39, 46, at 50. So our first choice is 54, 2 is 57, 3 is 58, 4 is 61, and 5 is 67. So ano po ang mga kasagutan niyo po sa number 78? 2 daw, 57. Sabi ni Sir Paul. Kang Sir Jonald is 2 din. Kang Ma'am Jenny is 5 or 67. Kang Ma'am Levy is 2. Okay, so let's proceed sa solution natin. Tignan natin kung tama ba ang mga kasagutan niya. Okay, so number 78, 28, 35, 39, 46, tsaka 50. 77 is 29, 2. Okay, so dito, makukuha po natin ang pattern kapag kukunin natin ang difference between the consecutive terms. So, subtraction pa din. Kagaya nito, 35 minus 28, ito po. 7 po ang ating i-add dito, 7. Dito naman, 35 at 39 is plus 4. Ito, plus 4. Plus 7, plus 4. Saka sa 39 at 46 is plus 7 na naman. So, sa 46 and 50, meron din tayong plus 4. So, ano ang susunod? Di ba plus 7? So, our answer would be 57. Kasi ang pattern dito is the difference alternate between 7 and 4. So, let's continue this pattern. We will have 50 plus 7 is 57. So, therefore, the missing number in the sequence is 57. Yes po, Ma'am Mariam. 74747. Ito po yung ating pattern. So, ang answer sa number 78 is 2, 57. So, let's proceed na sa number 79. Problem 3, 5, 6, 10, 9, 15, 12, tsaka 20. Ang first choice is meron po tayong 11, second, 12, third, 13, 4, 4th, 14, tsaka 5th is 15. Ano po yung kasagutan niyo sa number 79? 4 daw, sabi ni Sir Paul. Kay Ma'am Kran is 15. 4 daw kay Ma'am Levy. 5 kang Sir Gerald. So, iba-iba yung mga kasagutan niyo po dito. Kang Sir Jimmy is 15 or 5. Kang Ma'am Yvonne is 15. 5 pa din. Okay, so let's find out what is the solution at ano yung tamang kasagutan dito sa number 79. Number sequencing pa din tayo. Ang pattern lang po yung binabasihan natin. So, ito po. Problem 3, 5, 6, 10, 9, 15, 12, 20. It looks like the sequence alternating between adding 2 and subtracting 2. So, the following pattern is this. Ito po. So, 3 plus 5 ay 3 minus 5 is equals to 2. So, ang i-add natin dito is plus 2. Ito naman, plus 1. Plus 4. Minus 2. Minus 1. Ito naman is 6 plus 6. Negative 3 plus 8 saka negative 5. So, ang alternating pattern daw dito is sequence alternating between adding 2 and subtracting 2. So, the following this pattern, we will have this kind of solution or equation natin. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, which is ito po yung first natin na equation. Second is 5 plus 1 is to 6. Ito po, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then 1, negative 1 kasi i-add natin is negative 2, ay subtracting 2. And then negative 3, and then negative 5. So 20 minus 5, we will have the answer of 15. Ito po yung answer, 15. Okay, so ang answer dito is 15. So number 79 is number 5. Ito po yung answer natin. Okay, next, problem 80 or number 80 na po tayo. Number sequencing pa din. 14, 28, 20, 40, 32, 64. First choice is the 52, second is 54, third is 56, fourth is 58, at fifth is 60. So ano po yung mga answers niyo po dito? 80, sabi ni Sir Paul is 3 daw or 56. Ma'am Jenny din, 3. 3 daw, sabi ni Ma'am Denzel. Kang Sir Jonald is 5. or 60. So let's proceed na sa ating solution. Titingnan natin kung tama po ba ang iyong mga kasagutan. Kang Sir Jimmy daw is 3 pa din. So ito po yung ating pattern. Wait. 14, 28. Okay, so ating problem 14, 28, 20, 40, 32 at saka 64. Let's examine the sequence of these numbers. It seems that the sequence is constructed by alternating multiplying by 2 and subtracting 8. So ito po yung ating pattern, which is times 2 minus 8 times 2 minus 8 times 2 tsaka minus 8. So ito po, 14 times 2 equals to, meron po tayong 28. And then 28 minus 8, meron po tayong 20. 20 multiplied by 2, 40. And 40 minus 8 equals to 32. Ito po. And then 32 multiplied by 2 is 64. And then sa next pattern, we must, ano po? Okay, very good. Subtract po tayo ng 8. So 64 plus 8, we will have the answer of 56. Therefore, based on the observed pattern, the next number in the sequence would be 56. Okay, so most of you got the correct answer, which is 56. 3. Ito po yung answer sa number 80. 56. Okay, let's proceed na sa number 81. Okay, what's the sum of 3 over 8 plus 2 over 5 plus 1 over 4? So the first choice is 1 and 1 over 1 over 20, 2, 1 and 1 over 40, 1, 41 over 40, 4, fourth choice, 1, 21 over 40, or fifth, 6 over 17. Pabalik po yung solution. Ito po yung solution. Let's just multiply it by 2 and then subtract by 8 multiplied by 2, subtract na naman, and then multiplied by 2 and subtract na naman. Okay, so what is the sum of these numbers? Fractions po tayo, fractions. Okay, 2 daw, sabi ni Sir Ray Mark. 2 din kang Ma'am Jenny. 5 kang Sir Ray. 6 over 17 daw. Okay, kang Ma'am Blessed Joy is 2. Okay, let's proceed now on finding the solution and answer. 2, yung most of all, 2 yung answers nyo. So, okay, ito. To find the sum of the fractions, 3/8, 2/5, 1/4, you first need to find the common denominator or the least common multiple. In case of the common denominator is 40. Ito po yung ating least common multiple. Kasi hindi po natin to ma-add lahat kapag hindi po pareha yung mga denominator nila. So, ang least common multiple daw is 40. Sir, paano ba makuha yung least common multiple? Just multiply the two biggest denominator. So, multiply natin ng 8 multiplied by 5 is equals to 40. And is 40 is divisible by 4? Yes, divisible po ang 40 sa 4. So, ang least common multiple nila is 40. Now, rewrite each fraction with the common denominator. Ito po. First is 3/8 multiplied by 5 over 5. Sir, ba't 5 over 5 yung minultiply nyo? Kasi, dito, in order for us to get the denominator 40, we must multiply the numerator and the denominator by 5. Ito po, 3 times 5 is equals to 15, and then 8 times 5 is equals to 40. So, sa next fraction is 2 multiplied by 8, and 5 multiplied by 8. Kasi 5 multiplied by 8 is equals to 40. So check at check. Same sila ng denominator. At sa last naman is 1/4 multiplied by 10 over 10, which is 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. Correct. So same na sila lahat ng denominator. And then let's proceed to um, add the numerators para makuha natin yung tamang kasagutan. Okay, ito po. Now add the numerators and keep the common denominator. So in adding yung common na mga denominator, just add the numerator, ito po lahat, ito po, and then copy the denominator. Okay, so 15 plus 16 is equals to 31, then 31 plus 10 is equals to 41. Ito po, 41 over 40. So to convert the proper improper fraction, so ito improper fraction po ito, hindi po ito proper fraction. To convert the improper fraction 41 over 40, which is malaki yung ang numerator sa denominator, to a mixed number, a whole number, and a proper fraction, you just need to divide the numerator 41 by the denominator 40. So 41 divided by 40 will be 1 and 140. Ito po yung ating tamang kasagutan. So the sum of the 3/8 plus 2/5 plus 1/4 as mixed number is 1 over 140. So ito po yung ating kasagutan, 1 and 1 over 40. So ang answer ng ating number 81 is number 2. Sir, halit niyo po yung sagot kasi may ako sa bumina signal. Ito po. 81, ang answer natin is 2, 1, and 140. Yes po, sir. Please be familiarized with yung basic formulation of getting the proper fractions, improper fractions to proper fractions. Okay, so next is number 82. Word problem na naman tayo. So, Eric has 3,500 out of this amount he owes his mother 14% and his sister, wala pong S, so sister po ito. And his sister is 76%. Supposing he pays one of his debt to his mother and sister, how much will he have left after he pays his debts? So our first choice is 1,925, 2, 1,575, 3, 1,750, 4 is 750, and 5th is 200. Ano po yung mga kasagutan niyo? Sir, may SS ba sa mga sagot lahat nito, sir? Yes po, SS ko po ito, screenshot ko po ito lahat at saka isisend ko po yung file kay Sir Jerome para ma-upload sa ating Google Drive. Okay, so ang answer niyo po ay ni Sir Jonald is 1, 1,925. Kang Ma'am Jenny din, kang Ma'am April, kang Sir Ray, Sir Paul, kang Ma'am Jenny, 1 sila lahat. So tignan natin kung tama po ba yung mga kasagutan. Okay, anong number na po ba tayo? 82. So 82. Eric has 3,500 out of his amount he owes his mother's 14%, his sister 76%. Supposing he pays one half of his debt to his mother and sister, how much will he have left after he pays off his debts? So ito, first, calculate how much Eric owes to his mother and sister. Jenny, what's the problem daw? So first, calculate how much Eric owes to his mother and sister. So amount owed to his mother is 14% daw sa 3,500. So 0.14 multiplied by 3,500, we will have the 490 pesos. Ito po, ang total na utang ni Eric sa kaniyang mama. And then, ang utang naman ni Eric sa kanyang sister is 0.76% ng 3,500. So, we will have 2,660. Ito po yung utang. Pero dito sa ating question, supposing he pays one half of his debt. So, one half lang po daw ang ibabayad niya sa kanyang mama at saka sa kanyang sister. So, ito po yung total ng half of debt to his mother and sa kanyang sister. So, we must multiply this 2 sa 0.5. Sir, but 0.5? Kasi ang 1 half, if i-convert natin ng decimals, it will be 0.5. So, 0.5 multiplied by 490, we will have 245 pesos. Ito po. Half na po ito sa utang ni Eric sa kanyang mama. And then sa kanyang sister naman, ang utang ni Eric is half of his debt is 0.5 multiplied by 2,660. Meron na lang po tayong 1,330. And then, para makuha natin yung accumulative na amount ng kanyang utang is add these payments to find the total amount paid. 245 plus 1,330 will have the answer of 1,575 pesos. Pero hindi pa dito nagtatapos kasi yung hinahanap natin is kung ilan yung matitira sa pera ni Eric. So finally, subtract the total paid from the initial amount to find how much he has left. So 3,500 multiplied by 1,575 pesos, yung half of the debt ni Eric sa kanya sister at mother, we will have the answer of 1,925 pesos. So therefore, after paying half of his debt to his mother and sister, Eric will have 1,925 pesos left. So ito na lang po yung natira sa pera ni Eric. So ang answer natin dito is 1. So most of you got the correct answer. Yes po, Sir Gerald. Pwede din po. Para makuha mo kagad yung kanilang yung answer, you can just multiply it by 45% kasi total ng dalawang depths. Pabalik sa solution. Okay po, Sir Bara. Ito po. Okay, so let's proceed sa number 83 na. If Anna's monthly allowance is M and she spent N, what part of her monthly allowance does she have? So, first choice is M minus N over N. 2, M minus N over M. 3 is N minus M over M. 4, M minus N over M, N. And 5th is N over M. Nakachamba daw si Sir Ray. Okay, ano po yung mga kasagutan nyo sa number 83? 2 daw, sabi ni Sir Jonald. Mat ni Ma'am April. Kasi Arden din. M and M. Ni Sir Kevin, sabi niya 2. Kang Miriam 2. Kang Sir Jimmy is 2. Kang Ma'am Nam is 2. Sabi ni Sir J, hula-hula na lang mag-answer. Kang Ma'am Jen is 2 daw. At kang Sir Jam is 4. Okay, so let's find out if your answers are all correct. So ito, number 83 na po tayo. Okay, ito po. Okay, the amount of Anna saves can be expressed as the difference between her monthly allowance M and the amount that she spends is N. Therefore, the part of her monthly allowance that she saves is given by is equals to savings, yung overall, which is M, and then monthly allowance minus or subtracted by the amount spent. In terms of variable, if Anna's monthly allowance is presented by M, and the amount she spends is represented by N, then her saving can be expressed as M minus N. And then the fraction of his monthly allowance that he saves can be expressed as fraction save is equals to savings over monthly allowance. So, kung isa-substitute daw natin dito, ang expression natin for savings, this becomes fraction save. M minus N is equals to M. Ito po yung ating kasagutan. Okay, so halos kayong lahat, most of you got the correct answer, which is number 2. Okay, so let's proceed na sa number 84. 84. If A is the number of apples in a basket and P is the number of pears in the same basket, which of the following equations best represent the statement? The number of pears is 5 times the number of apples. First choice, A is equals to 5P, or apples is equals to 5 pears. 2, pears plus apples multiplied by 5. 3, 5 pears is equals to 5 apples. 4, apples plus 5 is equals to pear. 5, pear is equal to 5 apples multiplied by apples. So ano po yung kasagutan niyo po dito? So masakit na po daw ang ulo ni Ma'am Miriam. 2, sabi ni Sir Kevin. Kang Sir Ray naman is 2. Kang Ma'am Jenny is 1. Kang Ma'am Angel is 5. Okay, let's proceed na sa ating solusyon. Okay, so ito po. Simple lang po ito kasi we will just have to, ano tawag dun? Wait lang po muna. Okay, so I'm back. So ito, simple lang po ito kasi we'll just have to substitute yung ating variables dito sa ating variables dito sa ating hinahanap, sa ating problem. Ito po, dito po tayo mag-focus. Sabi daw dito, the numbers of pears is 5 times the number of apple. So paano natin ito magiging ay gagawing equation? So ito po. Pears daw, pears. Ito. Pears is or equals. Ito po. Kapag is, equals po ang representation yan. Ito po, equals 5 times the number of the apples. 5 times the number of the apples. So, di ba, napaka-easy? So, this equation states that the number of pears or P is equals to 5 times the number of the apple. So, ang answer po natin is P is equals to 5A. Ito po. Ang answer po natin is number 5. Okay, but mali po yung sinabi na po ni question na P ang nona. Yes po, Sir Gerald. Napaka-obvious na dito na it states that the number of peers is 5 times. Pwede po ba pasagot ng 71? Okay, but they want, sir. Okay, so dito po, i-substitute or transpose lang natin. Base dito sa naka-quote or sa ating the problem, which is ang representation ng ating statement. The number of pears is 5 times the number of an apple. So, the number of pears daw, ito, P, pears, is or equals. Is representation of equals, and then 5 times the number of apple is 5A. Ito po. So, ang answer po natin is P is equals to 5A. Okay, so let's proceed na po ba sa 85? Number 85? Tama si Sir Gerald. Sinabi na po sa question na P ang nauna. Always remember that sa mga statement, kung ano po talaga yung nauna at close sa S, which is equals, yun po talaga yung mauuna. Okay, next, number 85. If 30 feet of fire hose weighs 25 kilos, what is the weight of 24 feet of the same kind of hose? 1. 17 kilos. 2. 19 kilos. 3. 20 kilos. 4. 21 kilos. And 5th is 28 kilos. 30 items po ito, Sir JR. Kasi 71 to 100 po tayo. 19. So, sagot sa number 74. Wait po. 74. Sa number 74 is 45. Sa 84, 5 po tayo sa 84. Ang answer po ng 84 is 5. So dito na po tayo sa number 85. Ano po yung kasagutan niyo sa number 85? 20 kilos, sabi ni Sir Aldrin. At 19 naman kay Sir John or John. 20 kilos kay Sir Barased. 20 kilos kang Ma'am Jessica, 21 kang Sir Gerald. Okay, so let's proceed na sa ating solution para makita natin yung tamang sagot. So ito po yung ating solution. Okay, to find the weight of 24 feet of the same kind of hose, you can use the proportion. So, dito po tayo sa proportion. So, sabi daw dito, ng weight of 24 feet over length of 24 feet is equals to weight of 30 feet and length of 30 feet. And then, dahil meron na po tayong value ng ating 30 feet na hose, substitute lang po natin yung mga value niya. So, let's denote that the weight of 24 feet as W24. Given that 30 feet of hose weighs 25 kilos and we want to find the weight of 24 feet for 24 feet. So W, which is yung hinahanap natin, yung weight ng 24 kilos, weight ng 24, yung length, feet length, is over to 24 feet. And then yung 30 feet naman na hose ay yung 25 kilos is over to 30 feet na hose. So now solve for W24. So calculate the find of weight for 24 feet of the same hose. W is equals to 25 over 30 multiplied by 24. Sir, bakit meron multiplied by 24 dito? Kasi dito sa ating first equation, ito first equation natin, first. In order na ma-eliminate natin yung 24, we must transpose ito sa kabilang side. transpose natin sa kabilang side. So, dahil division po ito, magiging itong multiplication. So, times 24. Ito po. And then, we will have the W, 25 over 30 multiplied by 24. So, simplify this fraction. In order to simplify this fraction, hanapin lang po natin yung divisibility rules niya. Ang 25 po ba ay is divisible by 5? Yes. Ang 30 din is divisible by 5. So we will have the simplest form of fraction which is 5 over 6. And then let's proceed na po para kunin yung value or ng kilos ng ating 24 feet na hose. So 24 times 5, wait lang po. 24 times 5 is equals to 120 divided by 6 is 20. So ito po, W is equals to 120 divided by 6. Meron po tayong answer na W is equals to 20. Therefore, the weight of the 24 feet hose of the same kind of hose is 20 kilos. So ang answer natin dito is 20 kilos. Okay, so ito po, meron po tayong simplified na solution. 25 kilos divided by 30 feet multiplied by 24 feet. Yes, meron po tayong answer na 20 kilos. So, ang answer sa number 85 is ito po, 3. Okay, next number. Mr. Adamos bought a lot of 560,000. If he sells this at 728,000, how much profit did he make? So, ang hinahanap natin dito is profit. So, first choice is 35%, 2 is 32%, third is 30%, fourth is 28%, and fifth is 10%. So, ano po yung mga kasagutan niyo po dito sa number 86? 3 daw, 30%. Sabi ni Ma'am Jessica, ni Ma'am April, at saka ni Sir Gerald. Ni Sir Jables din, 30%. Sir Kevin Lingo, 30% din. So, most of you have the answer of 30% or number 3. So, let's proceed na sa ating solution. Ito po yung ating solution. To find the profit made by Mr. Adamos, subtract the buying price from the selling price. Ito po, profit niya is equals to selling price minus the buying price. So 728,000 subtracted by 560,000, we will have the profit of 168,000 pesos. Pero hindi pa dito nagtatapos kasi ang profit na hinihingi sa ating problem is in percentage. So we must convert this answer into percentage. Therefore, Mr. Adamos made a profit of 168,000. To express the profit as percentage of the cost price, you can use the formula. Ito po yung ating profit percentage. Profit percentage is equals to profit. Ito po yung kinita niya. And then the cost price o yung kabuuan ng if he sells his lot. And then multiply by 100. So, by 100. Kapag kukuha ka talaga ng profit, multiply it by 100. Kasi 100 refers to 100%. Ay 100%, yes. In this case, profit percentage, so substitute na natin, ang profit daw dito is 168,000. And then yung cost price is 560,000 multiplied by 10. So, i-divide natin itong dalawa, 168,000 divided by 560, we will have the answer of 0.3. And then if we multiply it, para makuha natin yung percentage niya, 0.3 multiplied by 100, we will have 30%. So, paano naging 30% yung 0.3 kapag multiply by 100? Nakikita nyo dito, meron po tayong dalawang 0. So, you just need to move 2 points. 1, 2. So, 30 and then dot. So, ito po, 30%. Rate hinahanap, magiging percentage po yung profit divide sa original. Yes po. So, yung answer natin is 30%. Ito po. Therefore, Mr. Adamos made a profit of 30% on the cost price. Ito po, ang answer po sa number 86 is 30. Sabi ni Sir Norchef, meron na po ng passer. Okay, next. Number 87. Monique cleaned 1/3 of the yard. Fe cleaned of the remaining. What fraction of the yard was left unclean? Ito po. First choice is 5/12. Second is 2/3. Third is 3/4 or 3/4. And fourth is 3/10. And fifth is 1/2. So ano po yung kasagutan niyo po dito? Kang Ma'am Lenny, sabi ni Ma'am Lenny is 1/2 daw or 5. Kagaya din kay Sir Bara said. Kang Ma'am Norshif naman is 5/12. 5, sabi ni Sir Kevin. Sir Jimmy naman 5 daw. Kang Sir Ray 1. Kang Ma'am Rinalyn is 5. So let's proceed na sa pagkukuha ng tamang answer. 3/4 daw, sabi ni Sir Gerald. Okay, let's find out kung paano natin nakuha yung answer at kung ano yung tamang sagot. Okay, so Monique cleaned 1/3 of the yard. Fee cleaned 1/4 of the remaining. What fraction of the yard was left unclean? So unclean yung hinahanap natin. Let represent the fraction of the yard left unclean as U. Monique cleaned 1/3 of the yard, which means 2/3 was left unclean. So for example, ito po yung ating yard. Ito po. Ang isang part po dito or fraction is 1/3. 1/3. Ito po, 1/3 din. And then ito po, 1/3. So overall, meron po tayong 3/3 or 1. So ito po. Sabi daw dito, si Monique nalinis na ang 1/3 of the yard. So ito, malinis na po daw ito. Ito. So it means na meron na lang po tayong 2/3 na natitira na left unclean. Now, Fe has cleaned 1/4 of the remaining yard. To find the remaining unclean fraction, subtract 1/4 from 2/3. So ito po, subtract po daw natin yung 1/4 sa 2/3. So 2/3 minus 1/4 is equals to. So, in order to combine this fraction or para makaproceed na po tayo sa ating subtraction na process, we need to find the common denominator. So, paano po natin makukuha yung common denominator? Just simply multiply the two denominators. So, 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 12. And then, 2, ito po, 2/3 multiplied by 4. 4/4 minus 1/4 multiplied by 3/3. So in order for us to have the common denominator or least common denominator, we must ano po tawag dito? Multiply it by both denominators. So 2 times 4 is equals to 8/12 subtracted by 3/3. 12. So, to combine this fraction, find the common denominator daw. So, ang ating common denominator is 12. So, 8 over 12 minus 3 over 12 will have the answer of 8 minus 3 is equals to 5, and then just copy the denominator kasi proper fraction na siya, and then same na sila ng denominator. So therefore, 5/12 of the yard was left unclean after both Monique and Faye cleaned their respective portions. So ang answer natin dito is 5 and 1, 5 over 12. So number 1. Number 1 po yung tamang sagot sa number 87. Okay, so proceed na po tayo sa number 88. Ito po, sa ratio na po tayo. Wait lang po. An orientation seminar on the proposed anti-discrimination bill was attended by 80 females, 70 males, and 50 members of LGBTQ. What is the ratio between LGBT and non-LGBT? So, number 1, 3 to 1, or number 2, 1 is to 2, 3, 5 is to 8, 4 is 1 is to 1 is to 3, and 5th is 5 is to 7. What is your answers? 88, sabi ni Ma'am Jessica is 4. Sir Ronnie J is 4. Kung Ma'am Norchef is 1 to 3. Paano yung 2/3? Wait na po. Paano yung 2/3? Saan nakuha? Okay sir, wait na po sir. Ang 2/3 po, nakuha po natin dito. Sabi kasi dito na 1/3 daw yung na-clean ni Monique. So 1/3. Always remember na ang one whole number is equal to 1 over 1. Pero, hindi po natin ito maisa-subtract or i-minus kapag hindi po sila same ng denominator. So, we must multiply it by 3. So, ang magiging answer po is 3 over 3, which is if we divide it, 3 divided by 3 is 1 pa din yung answer. So, 1 whole of a number is equals to 3 over 3. And then, let's proceed in subtracting these two fractions. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, and then just copy the denominator. So, yun po. Nakukuha natin yung 2/3. Okay, balik na po tayo sa number 88. Sabi nila is, ang answer is 5, 4. Iba-iba po yung mga answers nila. So, let's find out kung ano yung tamang sagot. Okay, ito po yung tamang sagot. To find the ratio between the LGBTQ, the non-LGBT, and non-LGBT attendees, we need to add the number of males and females because they represent the non-LGBT group. Diba, nakasaad dito na 50 members are the LGBT and 70 naman and 80 is yung female and male. So let's just add these two kasi hindi naman sila ng part ng LGBT group. So we have 80 plus 70 is to 150. And then let's find out the ratio of LGBT to non-LGBT. Ito po, ang LGBT, we have 50 persons or your mga attendees. And then sa non-LGBT naman, we have 150. Ito po yung mga male at females. So to simplify this ratio, divide both parts by the greatest common factor, which is 50. Okay, so ang hinahanap po natin dito is yung greatest common factor. So, is 50 is divisible by 50? Yes. 50 divided by 50 is 1. And then 150 divided by 50 naman is 30. So, our answer will be 1 is to 3. So, 1 is to 3, 4. Ang 88 is 4 yung answer. Okay, next. Problem 89. Wait, charge lang po ako. Wait lang muna. Am I audible na po ba? Sorry po, na-mute ko po yung aking mic. Nakamute po yung mic mo po, sir. So, am I audible na po ba? So, okay na po daw. Okay, so dito po, balik po tayo sa problem. 53, 53, 40, 40, 27, and 27. So as you can see, meron po tayong repeated numbers and then subtracted by 13. So ito po yung ating sequence. 53 and 53, 53 and 53 is repeated. Ito po, repeated po itong dalawa. And then sa 40 naman is subtracted by 13. And then repeated na naman. And sa 40 and 27, subtracted is subtracted by 13. And then repeated naman yung 27 and 27. So sa next sequence, para makuha natin yung kasunod na number, we must subtract by 13. So 27 subtracted by 13, we will have the answer of 14. Ay, 14 pala, 14. 14 yung next na number sa ating sequence. So, sa problem ay sa number 89, 14 po yung ating answer. Okay, so sa next number, 11 na lang po yung natitira. Ito, ratio na naman. In Municipality A, there are 11,250 people with 15 police officers. What is the police to population ratio? So, first choice is 1 is to 125. 2 or second is 1 is to 250. Third is 1 is to 550. Fourth is to 1 is to 750. Fifth is to 1 is to 850. Ano po yung mga sagot niyo? 90, sabi ni Sir Carlo is 4 daw. 1 is to 750, pati kang Sir Ron J. Kang Miriam is 4. Kang Sir Gerald is 1. 1 is to 125. 4:30 po, nag-start na po tayo, Ma'am Sheena. 4:30. Kang Sir Merwin naman, 4 daw, 4. 1 is to 750. So, let's find out if, uh, kung tama po ba yung mga kasagutan niyo. So, ito po. In Municipality A, there are 11,250 people with 15 police officers. What is the police to population ratio? The police to population ratio is calculated by dividing the number of the police officer by the population. So, police to population ratio is the number of police officer over population. So, ito po yung ating police to population ratio. 15 over 11,250. Pwede din po ito masulat na 15 is to 11,250. Pwede din po ito. Now, we just need to simplify these ratios. In case you can divide by both the numerator and the denominator by 15. So we can simplify this ratio by dividing by 15. So let's divide it by 15 po, and let's divide it by 15. So our answer will be 1 is to 750. So, ang police to population ratio daw is 1 is to 750. Therefore, the police to population ratio in the municipality A is 1 police officer for every 700 people. So, tama po yung mga kasagutan nyo na number 4 ang answer. 1 is to 750. Four na yan, sir. Pusta ko, kapatid kong tamad. Okay, next is 91. A long sleeve polo is priced at 600. If a man is given 15% discount, how much would be his change for 600 pesos? Ano po yung mga kasagutan niyo po dito sa number 91? Choices are, first is 70, second 90, third is 80, fourth is 75, and fifth is 60. Ano po yung mga kasagutan niyo po dito? 91 daw is number 2, 90. Kay Sir Jobless is 2. Kang Ma'am April is 2. Kang Sir Ronjay is 2. Okay, si Sir Bara said, napaka-advance. Meron na agad formula at solution. So, let's find out if tama po ba yung mga kasagutan niyo at kung ano yung solution. Ito po. A long sleeve polo is priced at 600 pesos. If a man is given 15% discount, how much would be his change for 600 pesos? So, ang problem po dito is, or yung hinanap natin is yung change for 600 pesos if he has given a 15% discount. And then, ito po yung formula ng discounted amount or sa original price. So, discounted amount is equals to original price multiplied by the discount price over 100. So, discounted amount 600 multiplied by 15 over 100 or 600 multiplied by 0.15. Kapag mag-multiply po, pag magdi-divide po kayo ng um, percentage, ito po, kagaya nito, 15% divided by 100, ito po, pwede po, ang gagawin nyo lang po ito is, dahil meron po tayong dalawang zero, you just need to move two decimals. 1, 2. And then dito po yung dot or yung decimal nyo. So, we will have the 600 multiplied by 0.15 which cost the amount of discounted price of 90 pesos. So, yung mga sagot nyo is tama. The answer of 91 is number 2, 90. Yes po, tama po, 90 po yung answer. At sa 92, move na tayo sa number 92. A basket contains X number of ripe mangoes and if 9 mangoes are to be added to 5 times the number of mangoes is in the basket, the result is 69 mangoes. How many mangoes are there in the basket originally? So first choice is 30, second 15, third is 24, fourth is 12, and fifth is 10. Ano po yung mga kasagutan niyo sa number 92? Sabi ni Sir Gerald, 69 daw yung kasagutan dito. Okay, ang mga answer ng iba is number 4 daw, 12. Jonald Mahinay is the third D, 12 din. 3 kang Ma'am MG. Kang Sir JJ is 3, 24. Okay, so let's find out if tama po ba yung mga kasagutan niyo. Ito po. A basket contain X number of ripe mangoes. If 9 mangoes are to be added to 5 times the amount of the mangoes in the basket, the result is 69 mangoes. How many mangoes are there in the basket originally? Let's denote that the original number of mangoes in the basket is X. Then the problem states that 9 mangoes are added. Ito po, 9 mangoes daw are added. 9 plus 5 times the original number of the mangoes. So, 9 plus 5 multiplied by the original number of mangoes, which is x, which x represent the mangoes, is equals to overall number of mangoes is 69. Now, solve for x. Okay, so in order to solve for x, we have here 9 plus 5x equals to 69. Pero paano natin to ma-eliminate tong number 9? We just need to transpose it sa kabilang side. And this 9 is a positive number. So, pag matatranspose na po ito, magiging po itong negative 9 or 69 minus 9. So, ito po yung ating new equation. 5x equals to 69 minus 9. So ito po, 69 minus 9, we will have the number of 60. So 5x is equals to 60. And now, yung problem naman natin is paano ma-eliminate itong 5. So in order to eliminate this 5, we just need to divide it by 5. Dahil multiplication po ito, kapag itatranspose natin ito sa kabilang side, magiging division. So 60 divided by 5 po. 60 divided by 5, ang answer po natin is 12. So x, or the mangoes originally, is 12. Therefore, there were originally 12 mangoes in the basket. So 12, 92 is 4 yung tamang answer. Okay, very good, Sir Norchef. Ito po yung simplified version ng ating solution. Okay lang po yung Sir Gerald. Kahit magkaiba yung solution, basta um, yung sagot is pareha at tama, very good din po yun. Okay, so 93 na po tayo. 100 sheets of 24 inches times ay 24 inches by 36 inches glossy paper for magazine cover is priced at 1,200. How much is the cost of 750 sheets? So first choice is 7,500, second 9,000, third is 8,500, fourth is 8,000, and fifth is 6,000. What is your answers? Sabi ni Sir Ron J is 2, kang Ma'am Jonald is 2, kang Sir Ron J is 2, kang Ma'am Norchef is 9,000, which is 2. Kang Sir Francis is 2. And is kang Sir Carlo is 2 pa rin. So most of you have the answer of 2, which is 9,000. So let's find out if tama po ba yung mga kasagutan niyo. Okay, dito na po tayo. To find the cost of 750 sheets of 24 inches by 36 inches glossy paper, you can use the given cost 100 sheets and scale up to proportionally. So ito po ang cost ng 750 sheets, ito po yung formula, is equals to number of sheets over 100. Kasi sabi dito na ang price of 100 sheets is 1,200. Multiplied by cost of sheets, which is 1,200, we will have the equation of 750, yung hinahanap natin na sheets, and over 100. Multiplied by 1,200, ito yung price ng every 100 sheets of glossy paper. So now, let's divide 750 sa 100. 750 divided by 100, we will have the answer of 7.5 and then multiplied by 1,200. So 7.5 multiplied by 1,200, we will have the answer of 9,000. So therefore, the cost of 750 sheets of 24 by 36 inch glossy paper is 9,000 pesos. Okay, so ang answer natin dito is 9,000 pesos, which is number 2. So, tama po kayong lahat. Sabi ni Sir Bara, iba din ang formula ko kay Sir. Okay. 2s. Okay, so let's move on to number 94. Okay, ito basic geometry. The bit of PAT, Ricardo Dalisa, is a rectangular shape. The length of the area is 25 meters more than its width. If the perimeter of the bit area is 210 meters, what is the width of the bit area? So first natin na choice is 40 meters, second 45, third is 50, fourth is 55, and fifth is 65 meters. So ang answer ni Sir Norchef is 1 daw. And then kang Ma'am Ron J is 1. 1 din kang Ma'am Marian. Kang Sir Francis is 1. Kang Ray Pungkol is 1. Hindi ko alam sagot dyan, sabi ni Sir Bara. Akala ko meron ka na ka na naman bagong formula or solution. Okay, so let's find out the correct answer and the solution. Okay, ito po. Let's denote the width of the bit as W meters. So sabi po dito na length of the area is 25 meters more than its width. So width plus 25 meters, ito po yung ating length. And then ito po yung formula of getting the perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter P of a rectangle is given by the formula P is equals to 2 times length plus width, or L plus W. In this case, the perimeter is given as 210 meters. So overall daw perimeter, meron po tayong 210. And then let's us just substitute the value of our length. So sabi daw dito, ang value ng ating length is with more ay ang value daw nating length is 25 meters more than its width. So width plus 25, ito po yung ating length. Then simplify the equation. So in order to simplify the equation, we just need to add these two. We will have 2W, then 25. 210 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2W plus 25. So next is distribution method. Ito, distribution method natin. Yung 2, i-multiply natin sa 2W tsaka sa 25. So distribute the 2. 210 is equals to 2 times 2W is equals to 4W. Then 2 multiplied by 25, we have 50. So 210 is equals to 50 plus 40. So in order for us to eliminate this 50, we just need to transpose it to the other side. So ito po yung kalalabasan. 210 minus 50 is equals to 4W. Basta perimeter po, laging tulang ba? Yes po, ito po yung talaga yung ating formula ng perimeter. Based po sa basic geometry natin, ito po yung talagang formula ng ating perimeter sa pagkukuha ng rectangle. So let's continue na. Ito po, 210 minus 50 is equals to 4W. So 210 minus 50, we have here 160 is equals to 4W. So in order for us to eliminate this 4, we must divide or transpose it to other side. Transpose it to other side, in which na dito is multiplication sa magiging division sa kapag na-transpose. So W, ito po, W is equals to 160 over 4. So W equals to 160 over 4, we will have the answer of 40. So ito po yung ating answer. So the width of the bit area is 40 meters. So ang answer ng 94 is 1. So ito po yung answer. 94 is 1 or 40 meters. Let's move forward sa number 5. 5 na lang po yung kulang para matatapos na po itong live. So Mark, Vic, and Jim are long distance runner. They completed the marathon in 2 hours and 10 seconds, 2 hours and 15 minutes, and 2 hours and 35 minutes. Respectively, what is the average time that will take the 3 runners to complete the marathon? So first choice is 2 hours and 20 minutes. Second choice is 3 hours and 5 minutes. Third choice is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Fourth choice is 3 hours and 25 minutes. And fifth choice is 2 hours and 45 minutes. So ano po yung mga kasagutan nyo dito? Sabi ni Sir Ron J, 1. Sabi ni Ma'am Norchef is 1. Kang Sir Carden, 1. Kang Ma'am April is 1. Kang Sir Francis is 1. So most of you have the answer of 1, which is 2 hours and 20 minutes. So let's find out if your answers are all correct. Okay. Dito, uh, to find the average of the three runners, you must sum up their individual times then divide by the numbers of runners. So meron tayong tatlong runners, si Mark, Vic at saka si Jim. Kasi Mark daw, meron daw siyang 2 hours and 10 minutes na running time. And then si Vic, meron po siyang 2 hours and 15 minutes. Si Jim naman 2 hours and 35 minutes. So in order for us na ma-add po itong lahat, we must first convert all the times to a common unit such as minutes. So ang 2 hours, it is equivalent to 2 hours is equivalent to 2 multiplied by 60, which is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Plus 10 minutes daw is meron po tayong cumulative na minutes of 130. Kang Vic naman, 2 hours multiplied by 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. We will have the cumulative number of minutes, which is 135. And then kang Jim naman, 2 hours multiplied by 60 minutes plus 35 is equals to 155 minutes. And then kapag nakuha na natin ang itong tatlong mga kapag nakuha na natin ang tatlong average minutes or yung total minutes, which is 130 plus 135 plus 155 is equals to 420, we must divide it by the numbers of runner. So ilang runners nga ba? So we have Mark, Vic at Jim. So meron tayong tatlong runners. So 420 divided by 3, which is the average time, is equals to 140 minutes. Ito po yung ating answer. Therefore, the average time it will take the three runners to complete the marathon is 140 minutes. So convert natin ang 140 minutes into hour kasi wala naman tayo dito 140 minutes. So 140 minutes is equals to 2 hours and 20 minutes. Ito po yung ating sagot. So ang answer natin sa number 95 is 1. Yes po, tatlong runner, i-add yung mga minutes niya and then divided by 3. Okay, next, 96. 53% of the students in a school are age 18 and above. If there are 2,368 students, how many are below 18 years old? 94 po, ano sagot? Ang 94 is 1. Ay, wait na po. Yes, 1 ang 94. 96. Ano po ang kasagutan niyo po dito? 96. 3 daw, sabi ni Sir LJ. Kang Sir Jomari is 1. Kang Sir Francis is 1. 1,112. Okay, dito sa number 96, nung nag-solve ako nito, hindi tugma sa choices yung aking kasagutan. So, let's find out kung bakit. Sir, ang gulo po nung naging 1/4. Okay, sir, ay Ma'am Angelica, yung um yung 140 minutes is equivalent for 2 hours and 20 minutes. Bakit nga ba? Kasi yung 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes, 'di ba? So, ang 140 divided by 60 divided by 60 will have 2.2. So it means meron po tayong 2 hours and 20 minutes. You just need to divide the total number of hours sa ilang minutes sa isang oras. Okay, proceed na po tayo sa next number. Okay, so to find out the how many students are below 18 years old, you can determine the completement of the percentage of students age 18 and above. So if there are 53% of students are 18 and above, then the percentage of the students below is 100%, minus 53, we have 47% 18 and below na student. Now, calculate the number of the student below 18 years old. The number of student below 18 years old is equals to 47% multiplied by the total number of students, which is 2,268. And then, if i-multiply natin, 0.47 multiplied by 2,368, we will have the answer of, bakit 1137? Wait po, 0.47 multiplied by 2,368. 112. So, mali po yung aking na answer po dito. It is supposed to be 1,112.96. So, therefore, yung answer po natin is 1,112.96 or 1,112. So, ang 96 po natin, ang answer po natin is 1. 96, ang answer po natin is 1. Okay, so let's move na sa 97. Eric has 3,500 out of his amount he paid his mother 14%. Out of the remaining amount he paid his sister 70%. How much will he have left after paying all his debts? So first choice is 3,010, second is 803, third is 490, fourth is 2,107, and fifth is 903. So ano po yung mga kasagutan niyo po dito? 5 daw, 5. 5 sabi ni Sir Ray, Sir Ron J, Sir Denzel, Sir John, Sir Aldrin, Sir Ma'am Sheena, at ni Ma'am Miriam. So, most of you have the answer of 5, which is 903. Let's find out if tama po ba yung mga kasagutan niyo. Okay, ito po. Ito po yung payment natin sa mother. Ang payment natin sa mother daw, meron po tayong 14% multiplied by the total amount of money ni, anong pangalan nun? Money ni Eric. So, ang total amount of money ni Eric is 3,500 multiplied by 14% na babayaran niya sa kanyang mother is equals to 490. And then, yung sa sister niya naman, and then ang remaining amount is 3,500 minus 490, we will have the remaining money of 3,010. Then the payment to sister is 70%. So 70% multiplied by 3,010, which Eric remaining money will have the amount to sister is 2,107. Ito po yung nabayaran niya sa kanyang sister. At ang nabayaran naman sa kanyang mama or sa kanyang ina is 490. So let's just add this two. After paying both his mother and his sister, Eric have the remaining amount minus amount of sister is equals to 3,010 minus 2,107. We have the remaining amount of 903. Ito po. Okay, so to simplify this equation or ating formula, you can just directly add the amount of Eric's paid to his mother at saka sa kanya sister. So 2,107 plus 490, we have 2, 5, 7, 6, 1. And then, no. Okay, so ang kasagutan po natin dito is 903. Ito po, 903, which is 5. Okay, so let's move forward na sa number 98. Ito po 98 is bumalik na questions. Bumalik na question. Ito po yata yung number 71, 72. So, di na po tayo babalik sa kung paano natin ito nakuha ang answer dito. So, ang answer sa number 98 is 48. Ay, first number pala yung hinahanap. Answer ng number 97 is 5, 903. Yes po, first number po pala. So, ang answer po dito is 20 kasi first number yung hinahanap. Same lang po yung solution sa number 72 kanina. So, proceed na po tayo sa number 99. So, Jose, Juan, and Jake have the total 25 pencils. If Jose has 32% of the pencils and Juan has 48% percent of the pencils, how many pencils does Jake have? Nag-comment po si Sir Jerome, sabi ni Sir Jerome, by quarter to 8 na daw siya start para sa logic. Para naman makakain po daw kuno. Para naman daw makakain muna kayo. 98 is 20. Sa 99. So, sa 99, ano po yung kasagutan niyo? First choice is 5, second choice is 6, third is 8, fourth is 9, and fifth is 10. Wait lang po. Ito po yung solution natin kanina sa number 72. Ang 72, yung hinahanap is yung third number. And sa number 98 naman, yung hinahanap is first number. Same lang po sila ng problem, pero ang nagkaiba lang is yung hinahanap. So, dito sa number 98 daw, ito first number yung hinahanap dito first. Ang answer sa number 98 is 20. Ito po. Ang answer po na number 98 is 20. At sa 99 po, di pa po tayo nakapag-answer sa 99. Okay. So, 99. Jose, Juan, and Jake have the total of 25 pencils. If Jose has 32% of the pencils and Juan has 48% of the pencils, how many pencils does Jake have? Ano po ang mga kasagutan niyo po dito sa number 99? Ang first choice natin is 5. Second, 6. Third is 8. Fourth is 9. And fifth is 10. Sabi ni Ma'am Jessica, is 1 daw, 5. 5 pencils. Sabi ni Sir 1 is 5 din po daw. Same kay Ma'am Miriam. Kang Ma'am Nurchef then 5. Okay, so let's find out if your answers are correct kasi most of you have the answer of 1, which is 5. So ito po. Let's denote the number of pencils Jose, 1, and Jake I have as J, K, and L. So ito po. J, K, and L is equals to 25 pencils daw. Ito po yung total number of pencils. J represents for Jose, K for 1, and K for Jake, and L for 1. So Jose has 32% of the pencils daw. So 32%, convert natin sa decimal, 32%. 32 over 100. Ang 32%, kung i-convert natin sa decimal, ito po ang magiging solusyon niya. 32 over 100 is 0.32. Multiply by 25 overall pencil, and then kang 1 naman is 48% ang pencil. Multiplied by 25. So, kang 1 ay Jose, we have 32% multiplied by 25, we have Jose have 8 pencils. And then kang 1 naman, 48% multiplied by 25, we will have the answer of 12. So kay 1 daw, meron daw 12% of pencils. So simplify it by adding these two, which is 8 plus 12 is equals to 20. So, meron na lang po tayong natitira na equation na 20 plus L, which is yung hinahanap natin, is equals to 25 na overall of pencils. So, if itatranspose natin ito sa kabilang side, ang positive magiging negative. So, minus 20 na siya. So, now let us solve for L. L is equals to 25 minus 20. So, L is equals to 5. Ito po yung ating sagot. Therefore, Jake has 5 pencils. So, ang answer po natin sa number 99 is 5. Ito po. And then, for our last number 100. 5 employees earned a total average monthly net income of 17,500. If the average monthly income net of the three of them total to 17,000, what is the average monthly net income of each of the remaining two employees? 1. 16,500. Second, 17,000. Third, 7,500. Fourth, 18,000. And fifth is 18,250. So most of you have the answer of 5, which is 18,250. Okay, so now let's proceed for finding our solution and of course ang answer. Okay. Uy, hindi ko pala nagawa ng solution yung number 100. Okay, wait lang muna. Sana 5 para perfect. So, ma-perfect na pala si Sir Ron J. Wait lang po muna. Hindi ko pa pala nagawa ng solution tong number 100. Ito po. Sabi po daw dito, 5 employees have the total average monthly net income of 17,500. Sir, yan po ba lalabas sa exam? Si Sir Jerome po ang nagbigay sa akin ng mga questions na ito. And he said na paulit-ulit lang po yung lumalabas sa exam sa mathematics. Kaya naman, ito pong mga questions na ito ay galing sa source ni Sir Jerome, kung saan meron po silang libro na kinukunan, and then yun na libro po is yung pabalik-balik ng mga questions or items na lumalabas sa Napolcom examination. Yes po, possible po ito na lumabas sa exam kasi nakuha po ito sa mga past exams, and then yung exam ng Napolcom daw ay pabalik-balik, lalo na sa math. Okay, so now let's solve for this one. So sabi daw dito, 5 employees earn the total average monthly income net of 17,500. So 17,500 multiply by 5 is equals to 17,000 17,500 multiplied by 5. Meron po tayong ito 7,500. And then 17,000 multiply by 3 is equals to 51,000. Wait lang po muna. Is equals to 36. And then 87,500 36. 36,500. Ay, no. Okay, so ito na po yung ating formula or solution. Pasensya na po, hindi ko po nagawa ng solution yung last number. Okay, so 5 employees earn the total average monthly net income of 17,500. So 5 employees daw, meron silang average total monthly income of 17,500. So 17,500 multiplied by 5 is equals to 87,500. And then yung tatlo naman sa kanila ay meron daw silang total na average monthly income na 17,000. So 17,000 multiplied by 3, which is 51,000. So this 51,000 isa-subtract natin sa total average na monthly income ng 5 employees. So ito po, 87,500 minus or subtracted by 51,000, meron po tayong answer na 36,500. At dahil meron po tayong 2 remaining employees na hinahanap, ang average monthly income daw nila, ang answer po dito, pag nasubtract po natin itong dalawa, we will have 36,500 divided by 2, meron po tayong answer na 18,250. So ang answer po ng last number natin is 5, 18,250. Okay, so now, can you please comment down below kung ilan po yung tama na mga correct answers nyo sa ating mock test regarding sa mathematics. We are hoping po na ito po yung lalabas sa exam kasi sabi po nga ni Sir Jerome, pabalik-balik lang po yung mathematics na exams sa Napolcom. Sabi ni Sir Jobless, 17/30 po daw siya. Kang Ma'am Angel is 27/30. Pabalik po ni Sir na solution. Okay po, wait. So ito po yung solution natin. Based sa sabi ni Sir Jerome, sir, yes po, ito po yung lumabas last exam at may possibility daw na lalabas ito sa next Napolcom examinations. Kasi nga, pabalik-balik lang po daw lahat. Sir, upload na po ba ito pati mga answer? Yes po, i-upload ko po ito sa ating Google Drive mamaya. I-send ko to kay Sir Jerome. Why naman Ma'am Nam? 6/30 lang daw siya. Kang Sir Gerald is 25/30. Kang Sir Bara, 90% daw siya sa math. Kang Sir Arvin, 0. Ba't po zero po yung sa'yo, sir? Sa mga perfect dyan, tabi tayo during exam. Bawal po magkopyahan sa exam, sir. At meron po din tayong set A, set B at set C daw na sinasabi nila sa Napolcom exam. So bawal talaga yung magkopya, magkopyahan doon sa mismong exam. Sa ibang area po ng ating exam sa Napolcom, sila Sir Jerome na po sa logic. Kung Ma'am Jonas is 2/10. Ba't 2/10 lang po, ma'am? Naku po, zero na daw. Ay, sir ka pala, Sir Angel. Akala ko, ma'am. Um, so, yung mga answers po, i-upload ko na lang po sa ating Google Drive. Isend ko kang Sir Jerome para naman ah, ma-review niyo po ulit lahat. So, tapos po tayo mag-answer ng mathematics. Coverage natin sa mathematics. So, 27/30, galing ng pinsan ko siya nag-exam sa akin. Okay po sir, isisend ko po yung mga files dito sa ating Google Drive. Okay, so i-end na po natin yung live kasi meron pa tayong next na magla-live which is si Sir Jerome para magta-tackle ng topic na logic. And of course, mag-rationalize din po kayo sa mga answers niyo sa logic. So, thank you sa lahat na nakinig at I hope na marami kayong natutunan ngayon and then good luck din po sa exam niyo. Kasi 2 days na po pala, exam niyo na po pala sa this Sunday. Okay. Sabi ni Sir Jerome, so 7:45 daw, so mga 8:30. Balik po tayo ng live para sa logic. 8:30 po, sir. Okay, salamat po sa lahat. Thank you sa pakikinig at I hope na ito po yung lalabas sa actual na exam sa Napolcom para naman ay ma-perfect ninyo yung mathematics. Thank you sa lahat. Salamat po. Thank you at good night. Kain po muna kayo then balik po kayo ng 8:30 para sa logic. Si Sir Jerome yung magta-tackle at handle ng logic. Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you, thank you. Good night po at good luck sa exam.